What keeps you going?
What keeps me going, it's the zeal of my pain.
For me, it's personal.
There are some of the ghosts, some of the horrors that you sometimes have to deal with when you face certain challenges in life. Sometimes life in that's part of life. Sometimes life in uzonokiwa. Sometimes life in you'll be set aside. People might be wondering, you saying Nguti already died 3 days after she gave birth to you. What happened? Conference. You're my politicians. And it happened that the old lady was working that night. And a room service was requested. And she tried to go out. Fortunately, the door was locked and he forced himself. Sure. And obviously, there's no way to go. There's no way out. And as we know, our hotel rooms, they don't have cameras. So there's not much of evidence that you can say, who you saw in this room.
Yeah.
So unfortunately, the man forced himself. And that's how Petsy was conceived.
Bafana man. Conceive out of pain.
Big crime, sure.
That's what you meant.
Yeah. That's when I met my so-called father. But unfortunately, when I went there, I met the man. He was in a coffin.
Chief, yo. No. History sakho enganekwane chief.
Honestly speaking, I know it will sound rude. I once told someone who would say, look, I just hope he's in hell. Open Benny.
Fun. Yes. Yo. Ngiphelelo ngathi abantu bangazibuzela imibuzo manje. Yes.
Yeah, straight. Improfit style. Akusukela umuntu adama mfethu ngibona inkinga kanje na kanje ngawe boy. Boy ugrandi, into zakho zime grand no party flop nayi. Khona lethini la livala indlela.
Yo.
You know, it was like God, it's using that man's skin. Yeah, it's like he's using that man's skin to be a father figure. And that priest, unfortunately, I lost that priest 2021 during the times of the COVID. You know, that man became my father, Joe. He became my father. He was a white priest. And that man took me in. I went to a better school because of that man. I've got a best matric vandaag because of that man. I'm holding a diploma vandaag because of that man. I'm the young man I am because of that man.
Mawukhuluma ngentwana encane. Into eyenza ukuthi ugijime impela ngikhuluma ngale yasejele iboshwa abazilimazile mawuthi intwana ukhuluma ngomuntu abamchama nyawo edanyana
sikima ngiplowa mina intwana encane no chief lapha umona uyavuka scheme where they say umona usuke esweni
mfethu.
And in this stage you need to dance very well in a way that people will enjoy your entertainment because you need to be careful scheme. Kunabantu abadala la ngaphandle. They were given the platform of the stage.
Yeah.
They danced on the stage, but they didn't treat people very well. And now they had to get off the stage. Whereby by my old age home and all that. Now ask yourself why. You didn't dance well. You didn't treat people well.